Conversation between two friends after going to uncle's house.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Lily.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to my uncle's house yesterday.
Wow. Where do they live?
They live in California.
Did you all go there?
No. Me, my mom, my daughter, my sister, and her daughter went there.
Wow. But California is far from here.
Yes. You are right. It took us about 2 hours to reach there.
Oh. Did you go there by car?
No. First we caught the train. And later, we reached there by bike.
Who lives with your uncle?
2 uncles, 3 aunts, 8 cousins, and 1 sister-in-law. All live with my uncle.
You have a big family.
Yes, I have.
Why did you go there?
Because we had not met them for a long time. We wanted to meet them.
When did you reach there?
We reached there at 9:30 in the morning.
How are your uncles and aunts?
One of my uncles has had a paralytic attack, so he can't walk. Otherwise, everyone is fine.
But why did he have a paralytic attack?
We don't know for sure, but it could be due to smoking.
Smoking is dangerous to health.
You are absolutely right. But addiction is bad.
Since when has he been paralyzed?
He is paralyzed since last 8 months.
Can he speak?
Yes, he can speak just like before.
Bad happened to him.
I am sad to see him like this. But we can't do anything for him. He was asking me if he would be fine as before.
So, what did you reply?
I told him that you will be fine as before, because we should not lose hope.
You did it right. By the way, did you have lunch there?
Yes. We all had lunch together.
When did you come back home?
We came back home around 6 o'clock. Because the bus was 2 hours late. And we were tired of waiting for the bus.
Oh. Did you enjoy there, didn't you?
Yes, we did. The fun of meeting our relatives is different.
Yes.
Don't you have uncle and aunt?
No, I don't have any uncles, aunts and cousins. I have a small family.
I completely forgot that. I have to go shopping. Would you like to go shopping with me?
Yes, I would like.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.